Shiba Inu shows signs of recovery today. Price bounced back. Analysts are dropping their signals. Massive $68 billion in a snap. Coinbase CEO just dropped a massive bombshell. The Trump administration starts to buy them all. Everything changed instantly. Shytoshi Kusama is planning something big. What is happening? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Shiba Inu is showing its resilience once again. After a bit of a dip over the past few days, it seems like there's a small rebound happening, and people are starting to feel more optimistic. The mood is shifting, and the atmosphere is turning bullish again. What really caught attention today was the community's efforts. They've really shown their strength, especially with the huge spike in Shiba Inu's burn rate. The popular crypto tracking service, Shiba Burn, shared some impressive numbers. Over the past 24 hours, the Shiba Inu community has burned a massive amount of coins, pushing the burn rate up by a staggering 5,700%. That's an incredible jump. It's clear that the community is working hard to reduce the supply, and it's making a noticeable impact. You might be wondering, why is this happening? Where is this price rebound coming from? Well, looking at the bigger picture, Bitcoin has also been making waves recently. Analysts are saying that Bitcoin is aiming to break past the $112,000 mark, especially with its open interest surging to a massive $68 billion. Bulls are gearing up for a fresh rally as Bitcoin bounces back to around $105,000. The crypto market has been a bit of a mixed bag lately, though, with some significant liquidations happening. Over the past 24 hours, there's been about $225 million in liquidations, with more from long and short positions. Despite this, the market is at a crossroads. On the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin's price trend shows a strong recovery, bouncing off a key level and challenging the $107,000 resistance. But there was a slight dip after it couldn't break through that level, showing a bit of a reversal. Despite that, Bitcoin's overall recovery has been strong, with its open interest climbing over 2%, reaching $68 billion. Alongside this, the long-to-short ratio has turned bullish, meaning more people are betting on the price going up, which is helping the broader market recovery. So, what does this mean for Shiba Inu? Well, with Bitcoin's momentum, it's likely giving the whole market a boost. And that includes Shiba Inu, which is now seeing some of the effects of this broader recovery, with its community pushing hard to burn coins and create more positive momentum. It's like a ripple effect. As Bitcoin rises, it's helping to lift the spirits with its prices of other cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu. Speaking of Bitcoin, there's a massive bombshell that just dropped today, and you're definitely going to want to hear this. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong recently shared some exciting news that could shake things up for crypto, including Shiba Inu. He believes that if the US establishes a crypto reserve, it could send crypto prices soaring. This is something that has had the crypto industry buzzing, especially since the Trump administration hinted at the idea of setting up a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Armstrong talked about it during an interview with Yahoo Finance at the World Economic Forum in Davos on January 21st, and he seems pretty optimistic about it. He mentioned that Trump appeared excited about it, and if the US goes ahead with the plan, Armstrong thinks it could lead other countries to follow suit, especially the G20 nations. In a separate interview with CNBC, Armstrong even suggested that the price of Bitcoin could eventually reach millions, especially with growing institutional adoption and the potential of these reserves. He also mentioned that many finance ministers he spoke with at Davos seemed more open to the idea of crypto reserves, which is a big deal. So what does all of this mean for Shiba Inu? As Bitcoin gains more attention and momentum, it could trigger a ripple effect across the entire crypto market. The establishment of Bitcoin reserves could potentially lead to a lot of bullish signals, and with Shiba Inu already showing some signs of life, we might just see a repeat of the mega pump we saw back in 2021. The next few years under Trump could be really interesting for both crypto and Shiba Inu, and it's definitely something to keep an eye on. But this might just be the tip of the iceberg. Ethereum is also having a major impact on Shiba Inu's price right now. Analysts are saying that if Ethereum's market cap increases by 200%, Shiba Inu could see a significant price boost. Data from Into the Block reveals that Shiba Inu has a strong connection to Ethereum, with a 93% correlation over the last month. This means that Ethereum's movements are likely to have a big influence on Shiba Inu's performance in the short term. This could be a good or bad thing for Shiba Inu, depending on how Ethereum performs. If Ethereum's price goes up, Shiba Inu could benefit as well. Based on the correlation, Shiba Inu's market cap could grow proportionally by up to 200%. Right now, Shiba Inu has a market cap of about $12.75 billion, ranking as the 15th largest token on CoinMarketCap. If its market cap grows in line with Ethereum, that could push it to over $38 billion. And Shiba Inu's price could jump to more than 3 times its current value, getting close to its previous all-time high. So, if Ethereum continues to rise, Shiba Inu could follow suit and see a major price surge, potentially bringing it back to its all-time highs. The connection between the two is definitely something to keep an eye on. Here's the crazy part. Everyone knew Trump was making waves in the crypto world, and recently, it's come to light that the Trump administration bought a massive amount of Ethereum, valued at $14 million. And get this, they're now holding a total of a whopping $160 million worth of Ethereum. Given how vocal Trump has been about his crypto agenda and his stance on the SEC, does this mean he's positioning himself to do some huge projects around Ethereum? Could we be seeing even more Ethereum action soon? If that's the case, it could be huge not just for Ethereum, but also for Shiba Inu. Now, if the analysts' signals about Ethereum and Shiba Inu hold true, this could be a game changer. While this is all still speculative, we can't deny that it's generating a ton of hype within the community. The fact that the Trump administration is so involved could really send shockwaves through the market. Looking at Shiba Inu's current state, this news about Ethereum could be the perfect storm. As Ethereum continues to gain attention and momentum, Shiba Inu, with its close correlation to Ethereum, could follow suit. With the community buzzing and more people paying attention to the crypto space, Shiba Inu might just see some big gains. If Ethereum continues to rise, Shiba Inu could ride that wave and hit new highs. It's exciting to think about what could come next. And here's the kicker. It looks like the Shiba Inu devs are really starting to make their moves to make all of this happen. Shiba Inu's leader, Shytoshi Kusama, has reached out to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin with a strong desire to have a conversation aimed at driving Shiba Inu adoption globally. Kusama is not backing down from his quest to get a dialogue going with Buterin, and he made a fresh request for a chat just this past weekend. This came after Buterin posted about the changes happening within the Ethereum Foundation's leadership structure. In his post, Buterin shared that the restructuring had been going on for about a year, with the goal of improving technical expertise within the Foundation's leadership. The post quickly gained massive attention, with millions of views and thousands of comments and likes. Among the reactions, Kusama stood out. Instead of focusing solely on the leadership changes, he used the moment to request a conversation with Buterin. In his post, Kusama took the opportunity to highlight Shiba Inu's impressive achievements, mentioning that Shiba Inu is the #1 altcoin on Ethereum. He also pointed out that Shiba Inu's Layer 2 solution, built on Ethereum, has processed over 800 million transactions. Kusama made it clear that he wants to discuss how the Shiba Inu community can work with Buterin and the Ethereum Foundation to push for true global adoption of Shiba Inu. He suggested they have this conversation in the next few weeks. However, in a follow-up tweet, Kusama expressed some frustration, as Buterin had yet to respond, despite receiving hundreds of reactions to his request. Well, Kusama's efforts to connect with Ethereum's co-founder show that the Shiba Inu team is seriously focused on taking the project to the next level. If they manage to get Ethereum's support, it could open up a world of possibilities for Shiba Inu. With all this momentum building, especially with the current excitement around Ethereum, Shiba Inu could find itself riding a wave of adoption and price gains. The future is looking pretty interesting for Shiba Inu right now. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.